What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Financial Trading Basics Part Something. I bought a house with my profits and I just closed on it, so I figured I'd give you guys a little house tour. Again, this video goes out to Rick Smith at Ohio at North Hamilton Road. He told me, "You think I know that I don't deserve a home? Someone straight cash on that bitch, bruh." I don't even really want to live here. It's a pretty nice house, though. I don't know. Let's see it get in the frame. Two-story, single-family home, 4-bedroom, 3 baths, nice little backyard. Let's go check it out. Heading on in. Small little porch, nothing too serious. Maybe a chair, a little table, nothing too serious there. 2-car garage. We got some hooks still up there. That's pretty cool. Door, pretty standard. All MTV cribs, welcome to my home. So inside, to your right, we have half bath. You know, we got that gold-plated toilet. We got that, I don't even know what, nice granite. Yeah, the nicest shit ever. It is a nice little house, though. I'm not thinking about the property. I bought it for $349,000, straight cash, homie. So we got a living room. It's the main living room. It's laminate floors. Not a big fan of hardwood floors in the living room. But there's a second floor loft, which we'll see in a second. So I'll probably be doing most of my chilling in the second floor living room. We got a TV mount, a little electric gas fireplace I'm sure I'll never use. What do we have back here? We have a little storage closet, I believe. Yes, just a little storage closet. Some light in here. The utilities are already transferred, so this is already in my name. What do we got in here? Coat closet. Yep, very, very unique. Get some lights in here. There's some light. So we got some nice little kitchen. Here's the kitchen area. Some nice modern appliances. Granite countertops. Nice little kitchen area. Hopefully I can eat food in the house I just bought. Typically when the stress goes down, I should be able to eat better. But I'll be filming my cooking videos there on my little counter. Nice Whirlpool fridge, gas range, some white veneer drawers and stuff. I don't even know what this shit's called, but I bought it. That's pretty cool. We have pantry. That's where the food will go, right in there. So, then in here we have a little office. This will be probably where I'm going to definitely put my desk in here. Let's see, do I have enough space? Yeah, I'll do my desk and my whiteboard in here. So this will be my new little office area. Nice little room. Be my home office. So I'll be bringing all you content for my 43 subscribers that absolutely cannot wait for more content. Shout out to my 43 subs. Let's head upstairs. So again, we got carpet going all the way up. Some lights. Need some lights. Need to be able to see shit. It's pretty important. First to the right. The master bedroom. This is where the magic will be happening. And by magic, I mean slow cranking my small meat. Not really much of a master bedroom. Or bathroom. A nice little bathroom. Half bath. Yeah, no his and hers, just him. Sweet. Nice little bathroom. And some kind of like, I don't know if it's laminate or granite, but some sort of countertop. And then a closet. The master closet. This is where all my fur coats will go. When you buy home insurance, they ask you if you have fur coats. Yep, no mink coats for me. The chick at USSA got a pretty good laugh at that. So now we're coming in. So that's the main bedroom, and that's where the magic will be happening. But here's like the second floor little loft area. It's like because I don't have a basement, so this is probably like the more main living room. Another TV mount will be mounted there. Bought a sectional couch yesterday. What did I get yesterday? Yesterday I got, and I'll show it to you when it's furnished as well. But here's the second bedroom. Pretty standard stuff. Another closet. You put more stuff in the closet. Sweet. The laundry's up here. I think this is just a utility closet. Now here we got the furnace and the hot water heater. Laundry on the second floor, baby. But as long as I pay people to move my shit, I don't care. I don't care. So I bought washer and dryer yesterday. I bought a king-size bedroom set, 5-piece from American Freight. Got some washer and dryer on the way, a sectional couch on the way. I have a 2-bedroom furnished apartment now. Another smaller bedroom. I don't know, this will probably be a chill room or a music room. I'll do a king bedroom, a guest room, a music room, and then I'll have one other bedroom which I'll decide what to do with. Probably just a smoke pot room, which is very important. Since I've been in apartments, I haven't been able to 420 blaze it like I want to. So, first thing I'll be doing in this house is steezing a fat blunt, another half bath. When I actually did lie in the master bedroom, Rick Smith, your wife will probably be spending some time in there. And then finally, the 4th bedroom. Again, 2 smaller bedrooms, 2 decent sized ones, and a 2nd floor kind of loft. So overall, again, purchase price is well under budget. I went $250,000 under budget because 5-minute house, please pay my actual money. But now we'll head downstairs and see the backyard. This will be about wrap up the house tour. But overall, again, laminate floors with a 2nd floor loft. I don't really mind. Throw down a nice area rug, put a bigger sectional couch down here. Still need to get that. Got 1 sectional couch, need 2. I probably need 2 TVs. Dining room table, get a nice dining room table, maybe some more office equipment. So I budgeted $50,000 just to furnish the place. It doesn't really need any renovations whatsoever. Should be well under budget. I always over budget by a lot. So finally heading out to the backyard. So out here we have a little deck here right now, which I could probably fit a hot tub on here as is. I don't know, I remember the deck being a little smaller, to be honest. But I was thinking about ripping out just a little yard. I did not want a lot of yard work. Got some neighbors. No neighbors are outside. But I was thinking about ripping out this deck right here and maybe putting a big concrete slab down, extending it a little further, putting a hot tub in a living area, or like a gazebo, fire pit, cooking area. So I'm not about that yard work life. But there you have it. I got the Lennox air conditioning. So, oops, neighbors out there doing something, some deck work, and some side yards, and that's about it. So that's my home until you guys pay my actual money. Nice little house, bought in cash, no mortgage. Just got back from closing, it was like 15 whole minutes. It's like, back in the house. Alrighty, so final thoughts. Again, I would like to pay my actual money, which would be cool. Hardwood floors, not a big fan in the living room, but fine with the 2nd floor loft. Really like the purchase price. And no basement, pretty neutral. Again, with the loft, only I just like it. Basements get cold, so that's basically my thought there. So there you have it. There is my home for now. So thank you for watching Financial Trading Basics, whatever. Here's a tour of my house. Thanks for watching.